Okay, go ahead. Try not to push it against the wall, though. That's cheating. No, don't let it swing too much. I don't want it to fall off the wall. Okay, there. Oh, you almost had it. Slow it down. Slow it down.
Get it.
Keegan.
I got it.
Take a bite.
I can take a bite. You need to take a bite of it?
Come on. Don't touch it with your hands. Take a bite. Hey, no cheating.
Yes.
Did you get it?
Yes. And take a bite.
Okay, good.